In this video, you are going to see how to convert a big Excel data into a Microsoft Word document. Here I have a big data. Here I have the column order number to product category. If I want to see the print preview, just click on Ctrl P and here you will see this is not actually exact. Now we need to adjust the print preview. Just click on over here the page break preview and adjust it like this. Again go to the normal view and if I click on the Ctrl P and here you will see my print preview is okay. Now let me select this page as a PDF. Go to file, go to save as, go to browse. Let me choose desktop and just select the PDF over here, then click on save. Then here you will see my Excel data has been converted into PDF. Now go to Microsoft Word, click on the blank document, go to file, go to open, go to browse. From the desktop let me choose this PDF file, click on open, then click on OK. And here you will see the magic, my Excel data has been inserted into Microsoft Word document. And here you will see this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.